welcome back to my channel. Today I have another LookFantastic unboxing for you. I know the other one went live not that long ago, but I'm trying to space them out. I already have another, well, not another, I have a few other videos planned in between, so I hope it works out the way I think it will. And then I have, once I do the unboxing, once that is done, I have 5 products from LookFantastic boxes I can do a review on. So anyways, let's get started. I already know that there won't be any leaflet. I got an email that I deleted, unfortunately, so I have to see where I can look the products up. Ooh. Okay, so that is berry colored, I would say. Oh, let's open it up. Is there at least... there's not even a QR code, so I gotta see if I can find this. So, the inside says, sparkle this festive season and have a very Merry Christmas. With love from Team Beauty Box. Okay, so let's open it up. Oh, wow, whoa, whoa. Oh, wow. Okay. There's a lot of gold. Okay. I don't have... Oh my god, I gotta see if I can find the email. Or go to LookFantastic itself, then see.
One eternity later.
I should not have deleted that email. But then again, they could at least put, like a flyer in. So anyways, we have this here. This is the first thing I saw. This is the glove. Satin sleeping mask. Sleep like a queen and wake up as a goddess. Now, listen. With my sleep schedule, this will not help me. I will not look like a goddess. But I think it's nice to have. It's very soft. And it's lighter, here, underneath the eyes. So I think this would be nice. Would I use it though? Or will I give this to someone else? Because, Christmas is coming up. I think I want to give this to someone else. Because I don't use it. Once I sleep. I'm like knocked out. So then we have the Hollywood Browser, hair removal and derma planning tool. Oh, actually, wait. No, I don't. No, okay, there's something else. Because I have those like tiny razors that you can use for eyebrows, but this is also for hair on your face. Peach fuzz, that's what it's called. This is what that one looks like. Quick and easy and pain-free hair removal and exfoliation. It's perfect for eyebrows, sideburns, peach fuzz, upper lid, chin, bikini line, fingers, toes, neck, hairline, ears, and stray hairs. Wow, okay. Would I use it though? I don't think I would use this either. But can you give this to someone? Is that not... Like, imagine someone gives you this. I would feel very weird. I'd be like, are you telling me that my facial hair is too intense? Is that it? Oh, okay. Ooh, this is nice. Starskin VIP, the Gold Mask Eye. Revitalizing luxury gold foil eye masks. They would not have these before, I'm not really sure. But, they're like the eye patches that you put underneath. I think we had these. It doesn't matter, I love this. Which, again, reminds me of all the masks that I still have to do. I'm excited for this. The other two, not so much, but this one, yes. Very excited. Okay, I see this one here. Ooh, Lottie London. We had their eyeliner, like the retractable eyeliner. That was so good. So this is the blush in Haze. It's cruelty-free and vegan. Oh, it looks so nice. It has a little gradient to it. Yeah, you can see it. Oh, okay. Let's see. Oh, that's pigmented. Oh my god, that's pigmented. Oh, but you can sheer it out nicely. There's a tiny bit of a glow to it, and it sets rather quickly. So you gotta... obviously, it's with a finger, but I think this is nice. Hold on, let me... Yeah, I think this side is more what's actually gonna look like. Ooh, but this is beautiful. Oh. 2 products that I'm excited about. That is good. Oh, we had the cream for this, I think. This is the LMS Pro Collagen Energizing Marine Cleanser. Skin Energizing Cleanser and anti-aging as well. Can I smell this? Oh no. Oh, I can smell the tiny bit. That smells good. This luxurious gel cleanser helps reduce surface oils and impurities, energizing the skin for optimum performance and a youthful glow. Directions: massage into damp skin with fingertips. Add warm water to create a lather, then rinse off. Very excited. I'm actually kind of sad. This is actually crooked, right? I didn't realize that. Oh. I'm actually kind of sad that there's no leaflet because there's usually more information about it. Ooh. Oh. Okay, this is by Ico. The Spotlight Highlighter Pencil in Pearl. Oh, that looks very chalky. Oh no. Okay. Okay, let me try that out. Like I said though, it looks very chalky. But you can blend it out. So I don't have any highlight on. Let's see. What is this? Dirt. Wow, great. So I'm just gonna draw it on like this. Red intense, and then I'm just gonna blend it out a tiny bit. Yeah, it still looks chalky. And my skin is actually getting red from where I drew it on. Let me try another method. I'm gonna put it on the back of my hand. Then I'm gonna take it from my finger and onto the face. Okay, that looks a bit better. The light is terrible, but it looks a bit better and also looks more natural. Let's see, maybe, okay, I broke half of it off already. That's good, yeah, very great. I don't know. I'm not really a fan. Oh, okay. Okay, I think you have to use it with your finger like this, then apply it. Okay, that actually works nicely. I will definitely give this a try though, like 100%. Okay, so that was it. That was everything that's in the box. Not the biggest fan, to be honest. I mean, it's a Christmas. It's not really a Christmas box, but it comes around Christmas, and I don't know. Maybe I just want a bit more. I don't know. So, anyways, let me get the products that I've finished. As with everything, these two products here, these are creams. This is by Prey, the Ageless Throat and Décolletage Cream, and this is the Comfort Zone Reunite Cream. Night cream, obviously. I like both of these. The Prey one smells so good. Besides, you should always put a cream down your neck because that's where the aging shows faster, if that makes sense. I really like using this. I didn't have any breakouts, it didn't make me scratch myself, which something currently does, and I don't know what it is because I don't use any new products. I really enjoyed this. Did it make my décolletage and my neck a bit firmer or younger looking, or I don't know? Probably not, but I really like using it. As for the night cream, I really love this. It made my skin so soft. It sank in rather quickly. Like, it's not gone within seconds, but it sinks in nicely. The smell was very good, and overall, no breakouts, no pain, nothing. So I will enjoy this. This you've not seen me use because I didn't want to put my feet on this channel. I really like using this. Oh my god, it's one of those foot masks that where the outside is dry, so you can do things. It was very cold on the feet, but my feet were so soft afterwards. So soft. It was very wet though. Like, there was so much serum in there. Insane. So it was not enough for 2 uses, but it was still great. And it just makes you feel like you're in a spa when you're actually at home sitting on the couch. I would totally repurchase this. So nice. Like I said, it's very cold and very wet, so it's a bit weird. But afterwards, like, you get used to it. This is leaking, so I really like using this as well. This is the Philip Kingsley Bond Builder for split ends. It didn't really help with my split ends, but it made my hair very, very shiny. So I like that. Then last but not least, the best product, the cleansing product here. This is by eCooking, a gentle cleanser, and that's actually what it's doing. It cleaned my face so well. prepped it for skincare. No breakouts, no smell to it, which is so good because my skin is so sensitive. I need to purchase this. This is so good. Love it. So that was everything. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's a bit of a letdown, to be honest. But yeah, I hope next month, which will be January, I hope it will be better. So I'll see you next video.